Okay, so I'm just on this wrap over roof still, and just wanted to show you a couple of things. So the iron starts rusting where all the lead head nails are, because the lead head nails hold moisture around them, and then they start to rust, and then you'll eventually get little holes like this. These holes are down in the eaves, but these ones up here will rust through and eventually get as bad, and then you'll have to replace all of the sheets on the roof. But the other thing is that, like these nails here, you can see, I don't know whether you can see how high they are up off the iron, so they just kind of work their way up over time, and they're not actually held in very well. Oh, see? And those nails that's coming up with a bit of a shake. So if that was a storm, you can imagine your lead head nails aren't actually holding much in sometimes. On the other side of the roof, where they don't get as much sun, the lead head nails are a bit firmer, but on this side the nails start to rust on the shaft, and the shaft gives way in the timber, and then they'll come out easy. But anyway, so we'll quote the customer on roof restoration, a little bit of short sheeting to fix on this, and then a repaint, and then that'll get her out of trouble for a while. Otherwise it'll be replace all the sheets on the roof at some point in the future, fairly soon I would think. Alright.